So where do we sit as a company? Like I said, there's all kinds of robotics, but where we are squarely focused on is the space called autonomous mobile robotics. And there's two types. There's indoor and there's outdoor. Indoor is what you see with the Amazon warehouse and the robots running around. There's flashing lights and they're picking out stuff. That's one type of solution. We are taking on the outdoor analog to that. It's a much more difficult problem to solve. You generally can't navigate using physical infrastructure. The weather changes. There's all sorts of heterogeneous terrain you have to deal with. That's what we're really good at. So we're focusing on the outdoor applications in autonomous mobile robotics. So whenever you hear me say autonomy, it means autonomous mobile robotics.